What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sneak, and I'm here with my big bro.
Count that money. See Jizzle from the bottom of the map.
That nigga broke. And my other big bro
on the side of the map.
Man, fuck that map.
Alright,
I'm on my map. The bottom of the map.
And my other big bro.
No, he'll be known.
What you don't whatever. Fuck this nigga.
Nigga, I will slap the shit out of you with this phone if you disrespect my set again.
Shut your ass up, man.
You right.
There's no fucks given, man. NFG, what's good?
Yeah, no fucks given because we say fuck him.
And we reacted to Lil Wayne, Big Bad. They didn't have
shit.
They didn't have a video, so we're doing the lyrics.
Wow.
And this is what happened when niggas is high and been drinking.
You said Big Bad.
I ain't high or drunk.
How much you want to bet this nigga put the 3 Little Pigs in this song? I promise you that. Because of the name of the song.
What are you talking about?
Play the song. How much you want to bet he gonna have 3 Little Pigs in this song?
Yeah, fucking my lighter though. Somebody.
It's on your lap, you dingling.
Damn nigga, if you had a brain, you'd be dangerous, bro.
You ain't lying. You ain't lying.
Get your man.
I got work.
Bro, I'm saying, Big Bad Wolf, I promise you he gonna say something about the 3 Little Pigs. I never even heard this song before, but watch this shit.
This is lyric video, not the music video.
Alright, so you can read it what he saying it then, motherfucker. This Wayne, he predictable.
Keep that shit on Twitter. Y'all ain't lit, y'all litter. Keep that shit in your shitter. Eat that shit, don't spit up. Keep my back hit up. Keep my back hit up.
I heard this song, by the way. They did.
Play with that stuff and I looked up. Damn.
You didn't say that?
Look up. You plotting on me,
So you know how me here looking
Squad ain't heard, that's cushion.
But he said it, motherfucker.
So he didn't say it then.
No.
You said he didn't. You said he did what? I said did he growl?
Yeah.
And you said he didn't?
I never said anything about it. I said I seen the video. They didn't.
They didn't what?
Y'all didn't see the video.
Oh, I thought it was saying like they don't have the 3 Little Pigs in there.
This is so you retarded, huh?
Nah, I thought you gonna have me finish this shit knowing they ain't got it in there. I wanted to unplace the bet.
I love.
Don't you cross her bosom, damn. Shooting up the jurors, damn. Don't name my pistol, I name the trigger.
My nigga, move your head.
My bad.
Y'all just pussy, get buried together and let them play footsie. Y'all just wussy. I got some bullets, go pull up in hoodies and come take a look. See, better play hooky. I got some hookers hooking up with politicians and some athletes and some college niggas. And your misses on all kind of missions. I'm the sickest nigga skipping doctor's visits, but my body's pissy, smoking hockey sticky. Put a stocking on my face and hit a lick. And when the shit get ugly, I go pretty Ricky. I don't fuck with rats, not the mini Mickey.
You can breathe.
Cops, that's the Piggly Wiggly. Fuck my bitches friends and they friendly. Why your bitch giving me her 2020 like she tired of Mickey D's, Wendy Denny's like she tired of Macy's, JC Penney's. I got bitches getting tired of spinning. If we winning, I don't dream chasers that ain't never tripped it, so I had to tend it and I had to rip it. And I worked the veins like shaking.
But I get what you
2020.
No, that's 40.
Bro, get your ass out of here.
That's 20 plates right there.
Right.
Artists are starving artists in the kitchen, restaurant and cafeterias. Don't make a difference if you taste the difference. Better pay the difference to the racketeers. Now your pull up looking like you cracking mirrors. Not an artificial, become sacrificial. That's a body count. What a mathematician. What a wedding.
You said this shit called Big Bad Wolf. Where the fuck is the wolf part?
Super the fattest nipples. He said what?
For one, he's the Big Bad Wolf.
Hold up, so it's like not a so it's like a freestyle?
Yeah.
And I'm taking my shit back there because I thought it was a song. Like I thought he was gonna have like a hook like Big Bad Wolf or some shit come in and blow. Like no homo shit, but you know how Wayne began. I thought he was gonna say some extra shit. That's why I said nah, fuck that. That don't count. I don't want that.
Let's finish the song.
Finish the song. He ain't gonna say it.
He's after the old Wayne.
Now we got this villa, aiming at his pillows. Have triggers, fingers spinning, act like bristles, and then catch it triple flip, kick jujitsu, throwing pool party. She don't have a swim, so neither of her friends. So I think that's official. Got my neighbor's eyes bigger than the substance, and I'm in the simple. So I had to pimp her, and she had potential, but he lacked credentials. So give me a sec, I go at your neck and see you back looking like the Dracula bitch you are. Yeah, cannibalism going animalistic in Atlanta speakings. These niggas clones, copycats, and comedians. Once they dead and gone, no paraphernalia.
Yo,
When she left her
my
song,
nigga,
that's
you saw this. Stop bumping, my nigga. Act like you ain't seen it. You ain't seen this shit. This nigga over here moving his fingers to the lyrics and shit.
Too blind to see it with friends like those that baby text all my enemies and tell them I don't need them. Hallelujah, power intruders. Bitch walking around my house like Hooters. Power user, Molly Lisa, white girl, Molly Susan. Niggas talking out their bowel movers. Turn their homies into flower choosers. Turn your kids into father choosers. Make your bitch a widow and your mama cool.
Damn.
Shooter with a solid shooter. Clap at you if you don't die, boo you. Tell a doc that's trying to save your life and running wires through you. He could die next to you. I'ma make it hurt. Rob me like a giant scooter. Let a partner shoot it. We put out the movie. Win awards. She got a Golden Globe head and an Oscar booty. Niggas prostituting. These rappers ain't talking about shit. Not even about pollution. Ain't got a house to live in. Ain't got a pool to swim in. Changing their pockets. No accounts to lose it. And robbing.
God damn. That nigga said no changing their pocket or accounts to lose it. God damn.
I got a Greek freak, she call me under the cool.
Hold up. The fuck?
Big Bad Wolf.
I heard that part. This part right here that he's rapping, I heard this whole part. Cause some nigga posted it on the book like, yo, this nigga Wayne is like the truth. Cause some nigga asked me in a party on the gang like, yo, could you rap like rhyme to what the fuck is that nigga name? From the Greek freak. Niggas know what I'm talking about when I see that. Can't rhyme that nigga
Greek
name.
freak.
I'm into Kumbo, some shit like that.
Oh, yeah.
I take
He
the
just
Kumbo.
said it.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like I heard this part right here that's
How
coming
is
up.
that?
He a basketball player. He played for the Milwaukee Bucks, my
What the
nigga.
fuck is that?
He a fucking beast.
This
He's
nigga sound like a fucking Andre the Giant ass nigga.
my nigga. You know what?
It sound like a big ass.
You know what? Your next reaction video, you should let him see this nigga, bro. This nigga is a fucking. You know what? Finish the video, but I heard this part right here.
I'm out of the soup, she still swallow my soup bowl. I'm out of my loophole, you out of the loop though. Got all these niggas on silent and mute mode. The power to do so, my pockets is sumo. Hitting the moolah, proud of my new toe. Mafia nouveau, I am the uno. Real boss nigga should ride up a Hugo. Fuck with me, I go Lollapalooza. Pull up, trigger finger, hollering Pulo. Sound like a symphony, I'm Rotulo. Hitting some new notes, and I am the maestro, and you just a typo. Private flight though, flying too low. I'm wiser than you know, a private school though. I got me a new hoe, and I was a duo. One with the college and one with the JUCO. I had to ask him what's 4 plus 2 though.
Why he growling though? Why you got that
Big Bad Wolf, motherfucker. Who in the game fucking with Wayne right now?
Like a dead ass wolf.
What nigga?
I'ma start-
Jordan Lucas, motherfucker. What you mean?
You can't get that. They on two different-
Jordan
they on
Lucas
two
is a
different levels.
fucking beast,
They on two,
nigga.
but they're on two different levels.
Bro, did you hear that Gucci Gang remix?
That they on two different levels.
That nigga killed that shit.
They on
bro.
two different levels.
What you said? Who hotter than Wayne right now, nigga? He's in the game.
And Wayne Lane.
What you mean, Wayne? Wayne do everything.
Alright, so we're gonna start with you since you knew. What's your comment on the video and what's your rate?
Well, I'm keeping.
Shut your raw ass up!
This nigga sound like he just farted some shit in his drawers, my nigga. You good? Hug yourself. Stop it. I'm fucking growling at me, alright, nigga? I ain't do shit to you. This nigga bugging.
Man up.
Hey, you gotta relax yourself. Nah, real shit though. Wayne, I don't know, bro. Like, I'm still on like that Wayne from like Drought 3 Wayne. Like that's the Wayne I like, bro. Don't get me wrong, like he did his numbers and this shit. He had a bunch of shit in here that I could fuck with. That made me like, yeah, that nigga a problem. But to say who fucking with Wayne down in the gang, Wayne is not really Wayne right now. He's just jumping on shit just to do it right now. He want that Carter 6 to drop. Or Carter 5. Which one is it?
6.
6? Damn, Carter 5 dropped already?
Yeah.
Niggas
See, that's how you know I ain't been paying attention to that nigga.
That's his last year.
You sure it was last year?
Last year. He's on his march, nigga.
No, because nigga Birdman got into that shit.
It's on his march.
No, this is on the Carter 6.
That was last year.
The Carter 6 dropped.
Oh shit. See, I stopped paying attention to him. Wayne started talking some bullshit. My nigga, like, I don't know. Like, as far as the video wise, I think he could have went harder than what he did, but at that last part with the nigga from the Milwaukee Bucks, that nigga started going ham. I fucks with Wayne on
That's
that.
right.
But as an artist, and to ask the question you asked, who's fucking with this nigga now, I'm gonna go with my boy Jordan Lucas. That nigga is a fucking problem. Like,
Okay, so what you rate
Sound
now?
like Puerto Rican.
what do I rate?
1 through 10.
1 through 10. I give it about a 6. It wasn't bad, but I'm like I said, I'm used to the Drought 3 Wayne, so.
Bro.
You done?
You got cotton mouth,
You
nigga?
done?
Yeah, I'm straight.
That's
This
all.
nigga always on some extra
I
shit.
ain't going at this nigga because he's on some bullshit.
What you
He said something
mean?
about Lucas. I don't know what Lucas is. Nigga.
Joyner Lucas, he's an artist, bro.
What?
You hear this nigga? You know
They
what?
must
Nah,
They must not know who I am.
I know this is a video, bro. Let me.
They must not know.
I'm gonna do a reaction to
They
it.
must not know who I am.
When I tell you,
Fuck a rapper, nigga.
my nigga,
I'm not down with all that
I understand that, I get that, but when I tell you this,
He's a
this
singer.
nigga is a fucking problem, bro.
Right.
Like this nigga is a beast, my nigga. I'm telling you, sir.
So, how you feel about the song?
Alright,
We gonna get to that. Max Fact, we actually gonna do it next. We gonna do
This nigga
that
said
video
Max
next.
Facts. You mean matter of fact, motherfucker?
Facts.
That's what he said. He said Max Fact. Matter of fact, motherfucker.
I've been drinking too much. But yeah, what we looking at?
I get it, nigga. I give him a 7.
He just try to one up me, man. I gave him a 10. The fuck? So no, he's staying at 6 with me. I don't know.
0.5.
Wayne, it wasn't bad.
I give him 7.5.
7.5.
He don't sound like the old Wayne.
Okay.
Wayne always gonna be Wayne, but he don't sound like the old Wayne. Old Wayne was the shit.
I'm gonna go with what they said. You don't sound like you're the old Wayne. The black is hot Wayne.
No, she know that you're taking it too far. Not that Wayne. Not that
Fireman.
Wayne.
Fire for fireman.
Right, and around that time, nigga, or the other nigga that hit him up, I tried to talk to him. I tried to talk to him. That way,
Okay.
that was my nigga, bro.
But
His dreads got thicker and turned blonde, so
But I think that Rockstar
You
shit he
seen
did
that
was
movie?
dope though, bro. That Rockstar shit he did
so
was
he got
fire.
blonde hair now.
I'm going 8.
8? That's kind of high. You know what?
Now this is 8 just because of lyric. If you drop a video, I might give you 10. But your video gotta match your words. Like I'm talking about like on point like this.
But where he was just basically flipping words that he was rhyming with, like that's all he was doing. He wasn't really trying. I don't think he was really trying to be as.
Yeah, he was freestyling. He wasn't really didn't really care.
I'm Mary. I'm Sarah.
Yeah, I ain't hear nothing about no Tom and Jerry.
I was saying, motherfucker. What
I was about to say.
Damn it, man. Wake up.
But look,
Wake up, everybody. No more sleeping in bed. Get your fat ass up before you roll out of bed.
the link to this video will be down in the
My bad.
description.